Hello students of AP, hope you all are doing great. Here we are from NEET World to explain you the clear application process of AP EAP set 2025. Yes, sir, please explain the 5-step criteria.
Yes, ma'am. So before that, I'd like to inform you about the application window. The application window is open from March 15 to April 24. Like ma'am said, we are having 5-step criteria for applying for AP EAP set 2025. So first thing is, it's about eligibility criteria and fee payment, and second step, it is about knowing about what payment status, and step 3 is most important, that is filling the application. Step 4 is knowing your application status, whether it is successful or not, and step 5 is printing your application form, because you should have that handy, because you should be having it up till the time you get your desired college. Got it, friends? So let us start.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the eligibility criteria?
Yes. So if you look into the eligibility criteria, students permitted to register with 16 years age group only, and it is different for each stream. Engineering students, you have to complete 16 years of age. It should be up to December 31st, 2025. By December 31st, 2025, you have to be completing 16 years. Next,
so that is the lower age limit.
Yes.
And there is no upper age limit.
No upper age limit for the engineering students. And agriculture, 17 years is your age limit. Upper age limit is 22 years. Again, it is up to the date of December 31st, 2025. Pharmacy students, you should also have the age limit of 16 years, same as that of engineering, and there is no upper age limit for pharmacy. Upper age limit is only there for agriculture students. Okay. Then beginning with the first step, you have to fill your qualifying exam hall ticket number. That means your intermediate exams qualifying number.
That is ITE exam hall ticket number.
Yeah, hall
right?
ticket number you have to provide. Next, candidate's name, whichever is there, you have entered in your IP or SSC memos. Same alphabet should be there, same pattern of your name should be there with your surname. Okay. Next, date of birth as per your SSC certificate, and mobile number, an active mobile number you have to provide, because that mobile number you have to carry all the information regarding your exam or your college placement, everything comes to that number only, beta. So provide an active mobile number.
Yes, students, because all the updates regarding your admission, exam dates, everything, and admit card, everything you will be receiving on that number itself.
Yes.
So when it comes to mobile number, either it can be yourself, that is self, or it can be your parents, father or mother, or any relative. Okay.
Mention that which mobile number you are providing, whose mobile number you are providing, and you should also give an alternate mobile number. This is optional.
Optional, yeah.
Yeah, and email ID you have to provide for sure. Email ID also should be active till you get into the college, students. Yes, and stream. You have to select the stream, like which stream you want to get into.
That is engineering and pharmacy is there, agriculture, pharmacy is there, both engineering, agriculture, pharmacy. That is all the 3 streams you can apply.
Yes.
Okay. Next is category.
You have to provide your category more specifically. If you have any doubt, once talk to your parents, then you will get into the category easily. And subcaste also is important. You have to provide it, students. If you don't have idea, talk to your parents, and then you will get to know about the category.
Yes, students, this is very important. Suppose you are having reservation or whatever it is, please consult your parents before filling this thing.
Yes.
Very important.
And then based on this, the fee payment is there, and you can choose any of these payment options.
Yeah.
Sir, please give clarity on this.
Net banking using HDFC, SBI, ICICI or other banks, and you can use debit card or credit card. Next is so when it comes to fee, just a minute, when it comes to fee, we are having separate fees for be it for engineering, agriculture and pharmacy. Suppose you are applying for all the 3, this is the fees based on the category. Okay, backward class, SC, ST and open category, this is the fees. It will be available in the website itself. You can have a look at it, but you can have a look at this here itself. Okay, make a note of it if you want.
Yes.
Next thing.
Once the payment is done, then you have to get into this, either whether it is credit card or debit card. You have to provide these details like card type, whether it is credit card or debit card, then card number, then you have to provide the name on the card, most importantly CVV number, then the expiry date which is on the
Here
card.
also please take help of your parents.
Yes.
Okay.
After that, once your payment status is confirmed, then you have to again provide your hall ticket number, then your mobile number, date of birth as per SSC
It
certificate.
should be similar to the one which we gave previously.
Yes.
The mobile number, date of birth, and hall
Hall
ticket
ticket
number.
number.
Yeah.
And the stream also, whichever you have provided in the previous step 1, that only you have to provide this here also, and then check your payment status.
So this means what? We have completed up to stage 2.
Yes.
So remaining 3 steps are remaining.
Yes. Once your payment status is done, you will get this type of sheet with your payment ID, candidate's name, qualifying exam hall ticket, that whichever you have provided, and payment reference number also. This is very much important, students, to go for the step 3, that is
Yeah,
application
that is
form.
when you want to proceed to fill the application.
Yes.
There they will ask payment reference number. So
Yes.
please keep a note of it.
Yes. And mobile number, total amount, everything will come in the payment status. That is step 2. Okay. Now if you look here you have to, just now we have discussed, right?
Yeah.
You have to check your payment status. It will show the status is success. If not, you can contact to the help number which is given in the website. Okay. They will let you know about why it is delayed, and they will let you know that your payment status is successful.
Yeah. So next thing. So again we will come back. So till now we have done step 1. Then know your payment status. It is done.
Once
Now,
your payment status is successful, then you have to come back to the website again and go for the step 3.
that is very important step. That is filling the application only after fee payment.
Yes.
Okay. Directly we cannot go there. So let us proceed with filling the application.
Now here, as I said you, application reference ID is important. No, sir also said you.
This payment reference ID.
Yes, payment reference ID, that you have to write it here, and then hall ticket number whichever you have provided, mobile number, date of birth. Okay. Payment reference ID, as sir said, beta, you have to make a note of it and keep it clearly so that you can enter it over here. Next, candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, everything based on your Aadhaar cards and SSC memo you have to
Suppose
fill
you
it.
are SSC, as per that only please fill it.
Yes.
Don't keep changing
Yes.
based on different ID cards.
And Aadhaar card number, your Aadhaar card number you have to provide here, gender and date of
Date of
birth
birth.
according to your SSC memo. Next.
So next friends, when it comes to annual income of the parents, this you consult the parents as per the income certificate.
Yes.
Please fill it below 1 lakh, above 1 lakh and below, that is between 1 and 2 lakhs, and if it is above 2 lakhs and below 8 lakhs, please ask it with your parents and then fill it. And here it is above 8 lakhs. So based on that they will ask for income certificate number. That means you should have an income certificate. Based on that you will have income certificate number. That income certificate will have income certificate number and also date mentioned in it. So that income certificate number you have to provide.
Sir, income certificate should be of this financial year.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, that is very much important. Please make a note of it.
Yes. If you don't have now, get it clearly. Just
Yeah,
one
still
or
you
two
have
weeks
time.
before.
Please do it. Okay.
Yes. Category also, your cash certificate and the cash certificate number you have
Yeah,
to
just like
provide
income
here.
certificate number, you will have cash certificate number also. That is in cash certificate. That please fill very carefully.
Yes. And if you belong to economically weaker section, that also you have to say whether EWS eligibility is there, then you have to provide yes. And if at all they are asking for certificate, you have to provide the certificate also.
Yeah.
Then, if you have any special reservation category like NCC, CAP, Sports and Anglo-Indian,
Yeah.
this also you can mark if you have any special reservation category.
And
Okay.
for this, you can see the detailed application form instruction whether you are eligible or not. For that, you can go through the detailed application form. Instruction is given before applying for this. Okay. Accordingly, you choose whether you are eligible or not. Got it?
And then if you have any physically handicapped quota also, you can mark it over here, beta. Then minority or non-minority, whether if you belong to minority, then you click on it.
That is
Non-minority.
state
or
minority. As per Andhra Pradesh, whether you belong to a minority or not, that ask with your parents. Based
and
on that, you
confirm,
can
based
confirm.
on that you choose
Yeah.
this. Yes. Candidate bank details, you have to provide your bank details. If
This
you
is
don't
also
have,
optional.
yeah,
No
optional.
problem. Provide.
If you want to provide, you can provide your parents' bank details
Yes,
also. Yes. And present address begins with your house number. Whichever address is there in your Aadhaar card, go with that pattern only. Like house number, street, mandal, and then district, state,
And
pin
pin
code. And mobile number, alternate mobile number or telephone landline is optional. You can skip it if you want.
If it is not there, it's no
Yes,
problem.
and email ID whichever you have provided. Mobile number and email ID students, whichever you are providing in the first slide only. Same mobile number, same email ID you have to provide till the end
Yeah,
of
that
the
is throughout the
process.
application.
Throughout the application, you have to provide the
Yeah.
same mobile number and email ID. Yes.
So next is coming to, they are asking permanent address. Permanent address is same as the permanent address. Present address means you can tick mark this, it will automatically fill it by itself. Next coming to qualifying examination.
If you are staying in some hostel,
Yeah.
then you want to write it in the place where you are studying. Then present address you have to provide it different. Permanent address you have to provide your native address. Okay. If it is same, no, then as sir said, you just click on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next coming to qualifying examination, that is type of the examination, be it intermediate regular, intermediate or occasional or diploma, CBSE 10 plus 2 or ICSE board, RGUKT, okay, opposed TSOS, NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, others 10 plus 2 equivalent. So based on this you can select this. Now major subjects of the qualifying exam. Some students will have MPC, some students will have YPC, some students will have MYPC.
And some may have done the vocational courses.
Yeah, which you will be knowing. Based on that you take that option. Be very carefully. Okay. Next thing, hall ticket number of the qualifying examination. That is for
This
your
also
intermediate.
you have to provide same hall ticket number from the beginning.
Yeah.
Process whichever you have provided.
Same thing. So
Yeah.
year of appearing or passing the qualifying examination, that is 2025.
Yes.
Okay. Next, 10 plus 2 studied in. Okay, they will ask 10 plus 2 studied in which board. That you have to fill here. Next thing.
Yeah. Here if you see SSC or equivalent 10th exam, you have to provide it here like hall ticket number of that, month of passing, the 10th examination, year of passing, whether the school is in urban or rural area.
So this is mainly about the what?
10th.
Study details.
Yes, study
10th and
details you have to provide.
IPE study details.
Yes. And from 6th to 10th class or inter second year, from 6th to inter second year also you have to provide the same place and school, in which school you have studied and
Yeah.
the institute and,
And
the
year of passing.
Okay. This you have to enter it more clearly because this will be counted. Okay.
Because this will show how many years you studied in that place.
Yes. Whether if there is any skip of year or not, that
Yeah.
and all will be observed. So fill this carefully. Yes.
So after this is done, the stream or entrance exam, okay, that you have to enter. That is, suppose if you are engineering and pharmacy you have selected, do you require Urdu translation or not? Yes or no, that you can give based on your preference. Next coming to test center preferences. That is, first is primary district, that is the district which you want of highest priority, which is near to you, that you can give. Then you can give based on that, you can give other preferences also. So after it is done, this you have to read carefully. Okay, after that you can give a tick mark on this. Then you can save this and submit. Okay. So saving and submit will make a record of your application. Then after that it will again ask if you want to modify
Preferences
anything.
you have to choose most clearly, beta, because 90% your first preference only is considered 90%. So choose preferences carefully and you have to enter it.
Please give preferences which is near to you.
Yes.
And after you have given submit, there is another option, modify or confirm. Suppose you have done some mistake, we feel you can go back and check and modify it. Otherwise, after that you can confirm. After that, next step what you will get is, okay, application confirmed successfully. Please note your registration number. That registration number you will get. Please make a note of it or take a screenshot. Then you can
Enter
print
that.
Then you can print the application.
After printing the application process, as this is a blur image, but
Yeah.
you will get a clear printout of your application form. Yes.
You can save it for future reference.
Yes. This is the complete application process that we have dealt it more clearly. If you have any doubt, beta, you can ask us in the comment section. We will be responding
Sure.
to your queries. Okay. And most important news and excited news for all of you people who are applying for AP, EAP set might be, TS EAP set might be, NEET. Okay. Here in Narayanguda, Hyderabad, we have an offline branch and the institute name is NEET World, that is your step to medicine, wherein we have 45 days crash course program and which is both in offline and online mode. In
And
online, how you can attend?
That is, we are having an app called MedWorld, Med
Yes.
Space World. Go to Google Play Store and type med space word, you will get our app.
Yes.
Okay.
And the hostel, including hostel facilities, you will get the entire crash course just in 15,000. And if you want to join our institute, whether it is online or offline, you can just ping us to this number. You can just make a call to this number. And the most useful notice for you people is 10 mock tests are free for
Yeah,
them.
and you will also be having 5 sectional mock tests after joining the course.
Yes.
And most importantly, students, when it comes to EAP set, we are providing both for BPC and also MPC. And another exciting news which you can see nowhere, like as far as I know, that is for first week you can attend the classes for free.
Yes.
Okay. Then if you are satisfied, you can pay the fees and continue. Otherwise, you can discontinue. Not a
Yes.
problem. Okay. So
And the most useful thing for you is 10 mock tests with explanations.
yeah.
So that will be more useful to you. So what are you waiting for? Just go for Play Store and download
And if you
whatever
want
app.
the demo videos, if you want to see the quality of your videos, you can go to Neat World YouTube channel.
Yes.
You can see ma'am's videos, mine video, mathematics videos, ma'am's botany videos, and we also have what zoology,
Chemistry.
other subjects. All
Yes.
other subjects we have. You can go to the YouTube
And you can check for the quality of the lectures too.
Sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.